Today's HME Ahrens-Fox new delivery features a SilverFox pumper headed for the Rosedale Volunteer Fire Department in Rosedale, Indiana. Founded in 1889, the Rosedale Fire Department protects 28 square miles of the southwestern corner of Park County, just west of Indianapolis. This Rosedale top mount is built on a proven and economical HME SilverFox design, featuring a 96-inch custom cab with a 12-inch raised roof and an agile HME Ahrens-Fox tight-turning SFO chassis. HME Hydro Technology offers 1,250 gallon per minute performance with a 1,000-gallon tank and a Class A foam system. The SilverFox's modular, corrosion-resistant stainless steel body offers ample storage for rescue equipment and gear, along with roll-up doors for fast and easy access. It's easy to maintain and easy to repair. The cab and body are painted Rosedale's exclusive, deep, rich, and very unique blackberry color. Congratulations to Chief Bratcher and crew on their new top mount SilverFox pumper. For more about HME Ahrens-Fox, visit www.firetrucks.com. For HME Ahrens-Fox, I'm Rich Fleeman.